Picture the early days of drag racing, a dusty strip, a crowd buzzing with anticipation, and homemade machines roaring to life. It was here that rat rods, with their raw, unfinished look and creative use of salvaged parts, began to shape not just the scene's aesthetics, but its competitive edge. Unlike polished hot rods, these DIY marvels embraced rust, mismatched panels, and exposed welds. Builders scavenged junkyards for discarded frames, tractor grills, and even kitchen hardware, transforming them into lightweight, aggressive racers. This approach wasn't just about style, it was function, meeting necessity. Stripped interiors, chopped roofs, and minimal ornamentation reduced weight, while custom suspension setups and oversized rear tires boosted traction on the strip. Rat rods democratized drag racing, proving you didn't need deep pockets or factory parts to compete. As their popularity grew, so did the culture of innovation, each build a testament to ingenuity and resourcefulness. Their influence pushed the boundaries of design and performance, inspiring countless racers to experiment with unconventional materials and techniques. Today, their legacy endures as icons of speed, rebellion, and creativity.